The most important thing to do when you are having a panic attack is do not leave. You will have the urge to leave, to just stand up, to just walk out of your room, to just call for help, but do not do it. Because if you're just running away from the panic attack within yourself, you are always saying to your brain that I am weaker than the panic. You're always telling your brain this weak statement. You're always affirming, you're confessing to your brain that you are weaker than the panic attack. You need to just stay there. You need to just sit in the fire of anxiety, sit in the fire of panic, and you're going to finally say to your brain, I am stronger than panic. That is the only way out. Inside is the only way out. Now, I am going to give you guys one tool that will enable you to just stay there, to just sit in the fire of panic. And that is Yoga Nidra. People like Dr. Andrew Huberman have been calling Yoga Nidra as non-sleep deep rest protocol. But what happens during Yoga Nidra is, it is just yogic sleep. You close your eyes, you pay attention all over your body one by one, and then you achieve a state of relaxation and a sense of sleepiness. Now, at first, when you do this practice, you might feel like this is doing nothing for my panic. But this is like Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa is not beautiful at the first sight, but it is made using the technique known as sfumato. It has a smoky, a layered quality to it. And the more you contemplate on Mona Lisa, the more beauty comes out of the Mona Lisa painting. Similarly, the more Yoga Nidra you do regularly, the more it is going to give you benefits. The benefits of Yoga Nidra is getting revealed over time. You cannot expect all the benefits of Yoga Nidra by just simply doing one session of Yoga Nidra. That is not going to happen. It might happen to you if you're very lucky. If you're very lucky while doing Yoga Nidra, the panic attack might come up to you and you'll just say to your panic attack, no. I'm just doing my Yoga Nidra. I don't care if you come or if you go. And then suddenly, maybe you're never going to have to face panic attacks ever again. But that might not happen. You might have to just do Yoga Nidra for 1 month or 2 months or even 3 months. But if you regularly do Yoga Nidra, then you are definitely going to solve your panic attacks. You are definitely going to overcome all these mental health issues and anxiety. Now, if you want one-on-one personalized coaching from me, then message me on my Gmail or my WhatsApp. I will not only teach you Yoga Nidra, I will teach you all sorts of spiritual principles from the Eastern mysticism, from the Western spiritual leaders, from the Western manifestation experts like Neville Goddard, Joe Dispenza. I have distilled down everything from them while I was battling with my own panic attacks. And I am going to hold your hand to success. So message me and then we can get started right away. Subscribe and I will see you in the next video.